Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chrissy with Ahn CO. It's Friday, December 22nd. Going to wrap up this week. So we got shorter trade here today. Grains and meats closing early. Did have cattle on feed in cold storage. Cold storage report, nothing too exciting. Cattle on feed did come in a little bit bearish, but you were coming into that report expecting that as far as those cattle markets go. So nothing out of the ordinary there. Grain market's really a dud this week as far as it goes besides soybeans. So corn market down or up about 5 cents on the week, up a penny today. That's really what happened, is about a penny higher each day. Soybean market up a penny and a half today, closing down 17 cents on the week. So that's where a lot of that pressure came in, as they can't really catch a break. And then the wheat market's having a bit of support this week as far as it goes for Chicago and Kansas City wheat off some dry conditions. Up 6 3/4 into Chicago. Kansas City up 5 1/4 cents. You did have a bit of pressure on the market, down anywhere from 2 to 5 cents. 5 cents being lower in Minneapolis wheat, and you closed 8 cents lower in Minneapolis wheat as far as that wheat goes. On the meat markets, that's where you had a little bit bigger mover for feeder cattle, down 6 cents or $6 on the week. That was just anticipation coming into here having a cold store or a cattle on feed that wasn't going to be all that friendly. Live cattle up about $1 on the week, so not a whole lot of movement there. Lean hogs up $1.57.5. A lot of that coming off today, being a supportive day with the report kind of getting out of the way, and nothing too shocking coming out of that. Outside markets, crude market up $1 on the week, U.S. dollar down $1 on the week, and then Dow market up 200 points on tax reform. So you had a little bit of movement there. Cash trade came in slightly higher for live cattle and feeder cattle here this week, and then also cash hogs remain firm off some good export demand. We had great export sales yesterday in grains at these lower prices. Hopefully we can keep that up and create a lot of demand around this market. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend and a Merry Christmas.